The 2026 Zero S represents a new direction in the world of electric motorcycles, where performance, technology, and everyday practicality come together in one clean, silent, and powerful package. As the latest evolution of Zero's iconic street platform, the Zero S 2026 brings refinements in engineering, design, and battery efficiency that take electric commuting to an entirely new level. This motorcycle is built for riders who want thrilling acceleration without the roar, smooth handling without vibration, and cutting-edge engineering without the complexity of a traditional engine. Everything about the Zero S is designed to feel futuristic, yet instantly familiar. At the heart of the 2026 Zero S lies Zero's updated Z-Force motor paired with their new 2026 lithium energy battery pack. This powertrain delivers a strong wave of torque the moment you twist the throttle, giving you instant acceleration that feels almost effortless. With its improved thermal management, the motor stays cooler even during aggressive riding, allowing you to enjoy consistent performance whether you're carving through city traffic or cruising on open roads. The bike's smooth, gearless power delivery eliminates the need for shifting, resulting in a ride that is both relaxing and electrifying at the same time. Battery technology is where the Zero S truly shines. The 2026 model comes with the newest high-density Z-Force battery, offering greater range without increasing weight. Depending on configuration, the Zero S can easily deliver a full day of city commuting on a single charge. With the optional power tank installed, the range can exceed what many gasoline bikes offer on a full tank. Charging times are faster too, thanks to Zero's updated fast charge capability, allowing you to go from low to high charge in nearly half the time compared to older models. Whether you plug the bike in at home, at work, or at a public charging station, the Zero S is designed to fit seamlessly into modern electric-ready lifestyles. When it comes to design, the 2026 Zero S carries a sleek and clean profile, shaped for efficiency and modern appeal. Its aerodynamic bodywork, LED headlamp, and sharp side panels give the bike a futuristic street presence. The riding posture is designed to be comfortable and neutral, allowing riders of different heights to feel confident and balanced. The seat is shaped for long ride comfort, and the foot pegs are positioned to reduce fatigue on extended journeys. Every line and curve is purposeful, contributing to better airflow, reduced drag, and improved overall performance. Riding the Zero S feels incredibly intuitive thanks to its lightweight chassis and centrally positioned battery mass. The low center of gravity makes the bike stable at high speeds and nimble in tight city corners. Whether you're weaving through traffic or leaning into a sweeping turn, the bike responds with precision and smoothness. Zero's updated suspension system provides a balanced blend of comfort and control, easily absorbing bumps and road imperfections while maintaining a confident feel through every movement of the handlebar. The 2026 Zero S also offers an advanced suite of electronics designed to enhance rider experience and safety. The updated Zero Cypher 3 Plus operating system powers the bike's intelligent control features, giving you access to multiple ride modes such as Eco, Standard, Sport, and customizable settings. These modes allow you to fine-tune the bike's performance and regenerative braking to suit your preferred style. The full-color TFT display provides clear real-time information, including speed, range estimates, battery percentage, energy consumption, motor temperature, and more. With smartphone connectivity, riders can also track diagnostics, customize performance, and plan trips with charging points highlighted along the route. In terms of braking, the Zero S is equipped with a sophisticated ABS system paired with regenerative braking, which not only provides strong stopping power but also recovers energy during deceleration. This small but effective detail helps extend your overall range and improves efficiency, making every ride more economical. Combined with lightweight alloy wheels and responsive tires, the braking and handling together create a controlled, confident riding experience in all conditions. Beyond performance and technical features, the Zero S offers a cleaner riding future. With zero emissions, no oil changes, fewer moving parts, and minimal maintenance requirements, this motorcycle is both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Riders get the thrill of acceleration, the joy of agility, and the convenience of silent travel, all without the noise or fuel expenses of a traditional motorcycle. For city riders especially, the silence of an electric motor creates a peaceful, stress-free environment, while still delivering all the excitement expected from a modern machine. The 2020-60S is more than just a commuting tool, it's a statement about where the world of motorcycles is heading. With its blend of advanced engineering, refined design, and sustainable performance, it offers riders a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. For those ready to embrace electric riding without compromise, the 0S stands as one of the most capable and exciting options available.